Except pro. Yeah, yes.
Hi, bro.
Hello, hello.
After a long
How to
time.
join? How to join with me today?
No, actually, what happened? Yesterday, some difficulties there were in Facebook, so I did not come. So
Okay.
today, I did it. So where are you?
So,
At home?
yeah, office. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm at home. Today is holiday. I did not
Okay,
go to duty.
okay,
So
okay. Today, like your week off, not
yeah,
holiday. This week off. Okay. And what is your special today?
nothing, bro. I just at home. I
Mm,
supposed to go somewhere, but I did not go because
okay.
I was at home.
Actually, today I hope you join with because last day also you don't yeah. Who is call me? Okay, someone call me. Leave it. Okay. Last time you try to more time, na? Lots of
Yeah,
time you try to join with me because you can't.
yeah, I
Today
joined
you
you.
join with me. I am happy for today. You join with me and talking.
You to speak with you, man,
Some,
because I was trying since long time to speak with you, man.
okay. Had your dinner?
No, not yet. I cooked for me and my brother. So my brother not yet come. I'm waiting for him. Once he come, we will have. So
Okay.
today I was busy little bit. I went somewhere, then I came back and after clean my cloth, everything, then I went to laundry and I took all those cloths and now I'm at home and to join. So
Someone disturbing me because I came to yeah, I came now video live. So many two people's call me because that time I what I
yeah,
tell.
it is unable
Okay,
to
leave it.
receive, unable to
No,
answer
no,
them.
what? Why I take receive? Why I took receive? I don't like because now I am talking with you. After you, if they have anything work with me, okay. After they will call no. While
Yeah, they can.
when I free, when I free that time nobody's call. Now I am busy. Call me some
Someone is
people's.
calling. So you are getting little bit irritated, right?
Yes, 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 little bit irritated.
Okay.
Yes. And
So
how is
don't
going
receive them.
your?
Just cut the send message them to call after some time. Once finish, you will receive the calls. Okay. So today, what is the topic we'd like to discuss
Mm,
about pandemic situation?
someone call me on messenger. Keep on line.
So
I will cut his. Guys, I don't know, but I don't speak and they will bother me, na. So if one by one talking, no issue. Mm.
yeah,
One
I
time
think
only. Yes,
they don't know your own life. So that's the reason they
yes,
are calling
yes.
and you are getting irritated.
Okay, and please tell me about yourself.
Yeah.
Uh,
So
you
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 know
are going, na? You are
your
going.
time. You know very well who I am. So no need to introduce myself. So I
Yeah.
just would like to speak to you about any topic. So
Not yeah, okay, no issue. But this is our yeah, practically English speaking. Oh, okay.
okay.
Practical English speaking life. That's why you tell something about yourself. Then yeah, someone our viewers learning na from you also.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes.
Okay. My name is Shamim. I'm from Assam. I'm living in Bangalore since long time. I have
Yeah.
a job in Bangalore. I'm working in a company. So,
As a
so
receptionist. As a receptionist.
let it, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. But I'm working in a company since long time, and you are
Yeah.
my friend. So we were working a company, right? So we are here live for spoken English, right? So if I do mistake, you can correct me. If you do mistake, I'll correct you. Don't need to worry.
Yeah,
English is
yeah,
not our mother
yeah.
foreign language.
That's why,
Sometimes
that's why I came. That's why I come on live for English, practical English speaking with my friends. That's why, if I tell something wrong, you you tell me
yeah, it
it's
does.
wrong. It's what wrong.
It is no issue, man.
Yes, yes. It
We
is.
are
It
for
does
spoken
not
English.
matter. Yes. Then.
So, three things I'd like to tell you. If you want to speak fluently English, you should follow three things. First
Uh,
things,
keep online. I'll another guy join with ours. Okay.
okay, okay, you can add him. No issue with this
Yes,
first.
yes, yes. Keep online. Sonu Chaudhary, no. I can allow viewers to send you a request to join your podcast. You can add them.
Otherwise, Nazir, do one thing. Let it be.
Mm.
Next time
Ha, ha, ha.
next time we'll join him, okay?
Yes, yes. Okay.
That's all I
Then when you going your native?
No, I'm not sure about that. I decided to go next month.
Okay.
So,
Not next month. This month you will go na.
oh, sorry, this month, sorry. Because what happened, I already
Hmm.
spoke to my colleague and my manager, executive manager. They told me no need to worry. They're arranging someone, so I can
Hmm.
go. At least I can take leave for 45 days. So
Hmm.
then I I just wrote a letter to them.
Hmm.
Then I sent mail to them because nowadays no one is coming to office. So we are
Hmm.
just mailing each other. That's all, and sending message if any issues, if any emergencies. So I already uh, send a message to my admin and my executive manager. They told me okay, they
Okay.
will arrange someone in my absence. So because uh, I have a baby
You will
boy.
come back. You will come back again na.
Yes, I'm coming back. Yeah. So I have
Okay.
a baby boy.
Yeah, how many days you will stay? How many days you will stay your hometown? Yeah.
Days I can't tell you because once I go there, I mean, once I go my hometown, then I'll decide.
Okay.
Because I'm going to my hometown after a long time, so it will take
Mm.
time because I want to stay with my family after a long time. Maybe
Okay. Okay.
45 days. I took leave for 45 days.
Okay.
So our manager told me that you are taking 45 days leave. It is long time. We are unable to give long time leave. At least you can take 25 or 30 days. We can provide you, but you are taking 45 days. So we are
Mm.
unable to give you. Then I forced them, sir, that it is emergency to go my native place. At least 45 days. So
Mm.
then they, okay, you can go, and your phone will
No,
be
yeah,
available.
actually, you're married person. They will give you minimum 45 days or 2 months not given. Nobody's given 2 months leave. 45
Yeah,
is more. 45 days is more.
yeah.
Okay.
I know very well. I know very well. So no, actually, I supposed to go last year, 2020, but I didn't go due to COVID because at this time so many protocols are there. If I go from there, I have to take RT-PCR report and then I'll go to home quarantine once I reach there. So it is little bit
Okay.
difficult. That's why I thought so it is not good this time.
No, you
Then I
you take.
yeah,
Are you take are you vaccinated?
yes, I got vaccinated, man. First dose,
Okay, don't worry, don't worry, don't
yeah,
worry. You get vaccinated. Don't worry.
yeah, I got vaccinated, man. First dose completed. Second, I'm waiting for second dose. It will
Keep
take.
online. Keep online. Someone call me. Keep online. Yes. Where is Mr. Sonu? Sonu and Shamim. Sorry for someone call me. That's why I come back again. Sonu, I add you now. Mr. Sonu Sodri, adding you, but hi,
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 Nasir,
good
how are you?
evening. How are you?
Good. Yeah, actually, from last so many days, I have seen that you are
Yeah,
joining in like
yeah.
Facebook.
I
You are,
saw your message. Please don't mind. I saw your message. Today, I think I adding you, but someone friend join
no
with
issue,
me. Okay, that's why.
no issue.
Okay, where? How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I am fine too. And
Oh,
where are you staying now? Where are you staying?
yeah, actually, currently I'm staying here at Devanali.
Okay, yeah, you're from? Where are you from?
I'm from Assam, bro.
Okay, Assam, which district?
Silchar.
Silchar district.
Yes, yes. Actually, people, it's Kasar district, but people call as Silchar.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay. From Silchar, na?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. Yeah, good, good. You're Bengali. You also thinking me same because you want also, in Bangalore need English speaking fluently.
Yes, definitely,
Yeah.
100%.
Mm.
If you can speak English very well or fluently, so always you are saying that you will get any job easily or any people will provide you any work with confidently that you can manage it. So just because of that, we have to learn English very well. And
Yeah,
really,
yeah,
I
yeah.
appreciate your decision from my bottom of heart. But thank you so much for take this decision. And please go ahead with continue.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for comments. And what job you will do?
Same as you are doing security.
You security job, na?
Yes, yes,
Okay, no issue. If you work as a security guard or supervisor, this field. If you know English fluently, what is qualification?
actually, I have completed higher secondary from Assam board, and after that, later I completed BA also from here as a
Okay.
distance course from Digboy College.
Okay, good, good. And your computer knowledge you have?
Before come to Bangalore, actually, I have taken one basic course, but when I came to Bangalore, now almost very well about basic usable, whatever the requirement. computer knowledge I know very well and I can handle.
Okay. Yeah, good. Because Microsoft Word, Excel, and internet browsing need very important, and mail
Yes,
communication need very
yes.
important. Whatever you going to
Uh,
interview, okay, you finally you prepared fluently English speaking. After you join, you jumping other post, supervisor, SO post, you getting like that 30,000. Nobody is given in Assam. Nobody is given in Assam
yes,
30,000,
yes,
25,000 above. Okay,
yes.
in Bangalore, don't worry. In Bangalore, don't worry. You will go with flight your home. One day only. Within one day, you will go and sleeping your hometown, right?
Right,
So
right.
next day you also come back. If
Yes,
you getting salary, good salary, you will do anything, right?
right, right.
So that's thing. Yeah, you're married.
No, man, not yet.
Okay, what is your
So
age?
you, what
May I
about
know
you?
what is your age?
Actually, I'm just 25.
25.
Yes.
Okay, good. You will.
Okay.
Yeah, how many years you staying in Bangalore?
I'm staying here since 2014. So it's almost, I
2014.
think, 6 or 7 years.
Okay, good. 2014 means six, yeah, 7 years running, na?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now yeah, you are working as a security guard or supervisor.
Now here I'm working as a security officer. Actually, I was working as a security officer from last 2 years. So now I'm going to be promoted like a ASM.
Good job. Yeah, how much you getting salary?
Uh, Currently, I'm getting 32. So once I get promoted, so I'll get above 40. So let's see. It will
Okay.
depend on life, and I
Good,
need
good,
all of.
thank, good. Thank you. You sitting here in Bangalore. Why you going there in Assam? What you do? Any business you will take, take there. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah, their income and Bangalore income is very difficult, very different.
yes,
Okay, that's why
yes,
you thinking what you do. If you go there, first of all, before you thinking what I'll do, you before you thinking. Okay, while you
yes.
going
Yes,
there na, native
I can.
in native, not come back again. Before you
Yes,
thinking what I'll do, go there.
yes.
Okay.
So here, I can suggest one thing to you and who all are the viewers of us. I can suggest them also that whenever we are taking any decision, we have to think what can I do, what is
Yes.
my possibility, what is my capability, and
Yeah,
if I
yeah,
am
yeah.
realizing that yes I can do it, I should go ahead. I should do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes when we'll do anything, people say are criticizing that you see what Sanu is doing, what Najir is doing. People should say, but we cannot
Yeah.
listen their voice. What they let them say.
Right. Right. You're right.
We know very well dogs always bark. Okay, but they can't do anything.
Man, man is telling what they are getting. Man is telling you don't hear them.
Yes,
Okay, because I know and you know how to income, how to improve myself and yourself. See, yeah, today's life. so many people are given comments good or thank you for kind your live about practical English speaking live, and someone pagal like mental
Yes, yes. See,
someone yes.
well, when I came here in Bangalore in 2014, so I went to S. So I joined as a security guard in G4S. So at the time, whatever I know at that time about English or whatever, so I was using my knowledge, okay, in front of the people. So at that time, people are commenting on me. See, this guy made fully made like this. People are commenting on me, but I didn't care on them. You people are saying on me, okay, you go ahead, all the best. Okay, you are
Yes,
commenting on, you are saying that I am mad. Okay, I am mad. Okay, you just be a good person, but still they are suffering
you
on.
don't see, you don't see. If anybody is given comments like that na,
Yes,
oh, okay, like that rascal, you don't see that's comment. Our focus is how to improve ourselves,
yes, correct,
right?
right.
Okay,
We'll face,
so
whenever
how
we
is your
face this kind
plan?
of situation, we should not be upset. Okay, and we should not go depression. If people are saying, let them go, and we should be continue with. Go ahead.
And one thing I see, one thing, if you have money, so, yeah, more people coming with you, huh? Every people
Definitely,
coming with you, your friends and other people also, your relation also coming here at home, and with you also. When your money, you don't have money, when you don't have money, that time nobody's come with you, right?
100%. Yes, definitely.
That,
If you have money,
that
people will not give you value, and if you have money, all the people will come to you and they will give the value.
yeah,
If you are hero, but if you have money, people will give you value
yeah,
just
yeah.
because of money.
Yes,
So
that's why I thinking here in Bangalore, we'll getting good salary, and we'll getting good job in Bangalore. Okay, so that's why I thinking I'll setting here in Bangalore. Yeah, every year I'll go native and 1 month. Okay, stay there and
so
come
bro,
back again. I
are
thinking
you
like that.
are you married?
No, not yet.
So what's your plan when you are going to be married?
Yeah, my family searching now. My family searching now, and
Why don't you why
I
don't
think
you search?
December. Sorry,
Why your families are searching? Why don't you search? Because you
no,
will be with
be- because I depending with my family. I depending my family because I am big son from my
okay,
parents. My
okay.
parents, I am big son. That's why I I can't searching for my life partner.
Okay.
And
Yeah, yes,
yeah,
yes,
my
yes. This
parents
is
searching for me because I am
okay.
big. No,
Yes.
that's why.
So this is really a good decision as a elder son. Whatever you have
and
to.
and one thing, 1 minute only, and my viewers, my friends who is watching me more. I saw more watching my friend. Thank you so much. Our live you watching again. Thank you so much. Yes, bro. Tell me.
Okay, so here Preeti Pal comments on that through. Thank you so much, Preeti Pal, and actually she is my Didi also. So thank you so much, Didi. I'm sorry to reply on your comment as late. So actually I
Yeah.
didn't see when you comment. But thank you so much once again for commenting and appreciating to us.
And what is your plan, bro?
Actually, I don't have any plan. So actually, I believe on my luck. Whatever I'll find in my future, I'll get it and I'll catch it. Okay. And
Yeah.
always I'll be like working on the preparation. Never I'll think that this is enough. I'll not think like this.
Yeah. Good. Good. It's
So
okay. One thing, which job we'll do, which job we'll do. This is for our future. Okay.
yes, yes,
And
yes,
we'll yeah, promotion, we'll get promotion, how to get promote, how to will good work. So if I am will do good work, our manager, our yeah, admin also yeah, promote us. Nah,
yes,
promote us. You will come our company directly. That time you
yes,
getting 35, 40, 45 above.
yes.
Yeah.
And one more thing, actually, for our Assam people who all are belongs to Barak Delhi, like Hailakandi Silchar, Koringon. So
Yes.
I just want to suggest to them who all are working in Bangalore or Hyderabad or
Yes,
Chennai,
my
actually
Ravinath,
what they are doing,
Ravinath
what
also.
they
Thank you so
has to
much.
respect their job. Okay, whatever the responsibility of their job, they has to maintain it. If they will maintain their responsibility properly, so they will get appreciated from upper line and they will promote them. And
Yeah,
whatever
yeah.
site knowledge should be there, they should learn. Okay, and they should
Yes.
develop their career like this. If they are working in security field, so they should learn more about security. What is security? What is the use of security? Uh,
And important nowadays, very important. Who is my friend watching? If you don't have qualification, you will join school and qualified about yours, because nowadays minimum BA graduation need na.
yes, yes,
Graduation need. So if you higher secondary pass, plus two pass, okay, that's it, okay. But your 10th pass or 8, 9 pass. If you thinking I am 8, 9 pass, you will don't get good job,
yes.
right?
So for them, I can suggest one more thing. Who all are not yet completed their 10th or higher secondary or degree, but they started job. Okay, so within job, okay, along with job, they can uh, read also.
Yes.
Okay, so they can take the graduation from distance course. Okay,
Yes.
so this they need to follow. Like see, I completed higher secondary in 2013 from Assam board. But when I
Yes.
came here in Bangalore, I faced so many problems just because of that graduation certificate. So I decided
Yes.
no, I have to completed my BA course. So
Yes.
I admitted in Assam Digboy College. In next 3 years, I give an exam from here and I get the certificate.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
they can
good
also
job.
start their education like this.
Yes,
They
yes.
should not think that so my time is over. I cannot learn more. I cannot study more. Actually, they should not think.
And I think you know very well. Before election, MLA election in Assam,
Yes,
last yeah, March month election has happened. So that time, February month, I gone to my native and before election. So I seen yeah, more peoples are like Sangaton, any clubs or peoples. Okay, so many peoples are means uh, going to MLA, yeah, MLA candidates. Okay, MLA candidates and like that backbite in social media, because need money. Why you depend? I thinking why you depend for another other person? Why you depend? Only 500, yeah, only 500 given, you will do something. Why should you do? I thinking.
yes,
I
yes.
thinking, why should you do? You
We
will
should not
come.
depend on others.
Yes.
And here,
Some, yeah, more people,
bro, here actually
more
one guy
people.
is requesting MD Alam for accepting his.
mm,
Okay, so please add him.
MD alum.
Yes, MD Alam
Okay,
is requesting.
okay. Searching. Once again. Sonojod Rabinath, Sharul, Dilbar Hussain. Bro, I can't, bro, but not coming his name. Okay, if his name will
Rabinath is
come.
there. Rabinath is there.
Yeah, Robinath is there, but he's my
Please add
friends.
him too.
Yes,
Please add him too.
but I can't. I can't him adding, bro, because if I add him, you will cut. You
Okay,
will
okay, okay, okay,
disconnect it. That's
okay,
why.
okay, 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 okay.
Okay,
So let
I think
let
I
me
think
like this.
I think today is enough. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because I'm in office right now. Today is enough, I think.
Okay.
So, so thank you very much, you. Thank you
And
very much, you. And who is watching, my friend? Thank you so much. You will watching yet. So
yes,
if you yeah, I saying with my friends who is watching, if you learn from us anything and any comments you have, you inbox me, I will reply right now, bro.
yes, yes. So after listening to you, Nazir bro, thanks a lot to motivating the people. Okay, and
Yes,
please keep continue. Don't be upset.
yes, yes,
People
yes,
will say so many things to you. People will call you as pagal, as mental. What so many words people will use on you. Okay, don't listen their words. You just go
yes,
ahead with your knowledge.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Okay, bye. Good night.
bye. You take
Good
care.
night, all.
Night.